Hey everybody, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a game pass on Roblox on the mobile app. Go to the more setting and then select create, and then select the three lines on the left here, and then you are going to go to creations. Select like your place. Everybody will have one already made. Select the three lines again next to dashboard. You are then going to select passes here. Create a pass, and you're just going to name it, I'm just going to name it test pass. Then you're going to select create pass. You're going to select the pass again. Select the three lines here. Go to sales. Enable item for sale and type in the Robux. This is for donations and stuff like that, for like your game if you have any. But that is how you can create a game pass on Roblox, the mobile app. I'll do it again just in case you missed it, but slower. Select create here under more, and then go to the three horizontal line next to home. You are going to again go to creations here. Go to your experience. I'm going to go to my place. I'm going to select the place. Select dismiss, and you're going to select the three lines again, the three horizontal lines next to the dashboard button. Then you are going to select passes, which is under monetization. And then here you're going to create a pass. You're going to name it anything. I'll just do pass for this one. Select create pass. Then to make it on sale, you're going to select that pass. Again, select the three lines next to dashboard. Select sales, item for sale, and type in the price. Sorry, there's like a really loud motorcycle outside my house if you could hear, but price in Robux, maybe like 300, I don't know. And here under creator earnings, you'll see like how much you'll get. If you want like 300, you'll need to up the price to 400, I think. Yeah, around 400. So just like play around with it. Around 428, 29 if you want 300 Robux. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.